Advantages and disadvantages of Kota stone flooring tiles. Dear friends, when choosing the right flooring option, numerous materials are available in the market. One such popular choice is Kota stone flooring tiles, which have gained prominence in residential and commercial spaces alike. In this video, we will explore the advantages and disadvantages of Kota stone flooring tiles to help you decide on your next flooring project. What is Kota stone? Kota stone is a naturally available, fine-grained variety of limestone originating from Kota, Rajasthan in India. Its alluring natural look, durability and low cost make it the most extensively used material in both the interiors and exteriors of houses and commercial areas. Kota stone is well known for its shiny appearance and charming colors, and ages beautifully over time. It is available in different shapes and sizes and can easily blend with any home decor. Advantages of Kota stone flooring tiles. Durability and longevity. Kota stone is known for its exceptional durability, making it suitable for high-traffic areas. It can withstand heavy foot traffic, making it ideal for commercial spaces, corridors, and hallways. With proper maintenance, Kota stone flooring can last for decades. Natural aesthetic appeal. Kota stone flooring tiles have a rustic and natural look, adding a touch of elegance to any space. The stone's natural texture and finish provide a timeless appeal to the flooring. Low maintenance. One of the significant advantages of Kota stone flooring tiles is their low maintenance requirements. Regular sweeping and mopping are usually sufficient to keep the surface clean. Additionally, the stone is resistant to stains, making it easier to maintain its original appearance. Heat resistance. Kota stone has excellent heat resistance properties, making it suitable for areas exposed to direct sunlight or radiant heat. It remains cool underfoot, providing comfort in hot climates. Disadvantages of Kota stone flooring tiles. Porous nature. One of the primary drawbacks of Kota stone flooring is its porous nature. The stone can absorb liquid spills, which may lead to staining if not cleaned promptly. Susceptible to scratches. While Kota stone is durable, it is not entirely scratch-resistant. Heavy objects or sharp items dragged across the surface can leave scratches or marks. Limited color options. Compared to other flooring materials, Kota stone offers a limited range of colors. The available shades are mostly in the earthy spectrum, which may not suit every design aesthetic. Initial investment. The cost of Kota stone flooring tiles can be relatively higher compared to other flooring options. The initial investment for material and installation may be higher, especially when compared to synthetic or ceramic alternatives. However, it's important to consider the long-term durability and low maintenance costs that Kota stone offers. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.